Hello children, how are you all? In the last class we have learnt about angles, types of angles, lines, segments, rays, etc. etc. In this class we are going to learn about pairs of angles. Children, the first pair of angles which we are going to learn are called complementary angles. What are complementary angles? If the sum of the measures of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, then the angles are called complementary angles. Here we have two angles, angles ABC and angle DEF. The measure of angle ABC is 60 degrees and the measure of angle DEF is equal to 30 degrees. And when we add them, the sum is equal to 90 degrees. Such type of angles are called complementary angles. Here, angle ABC is called the complement of angle DEF and angle DEF is called the complement of angle ABC. That means 60 degrees is the complement of 30 degrees and 30 degrees is the complement of 60 degrees. Children, the next pair of angles which we are going to learn are called supplementary angles. If the sum of the measures of two angles is equal to 180 degrees, then the angles are called supplementary angles. Here there are two angles, that is angle ABC whose measure is equal to 120 degrees and the other angle DEF whose measure is equal to 60 degrees. When we add them, we get 180 degrees. Such type of angles are called supplementary angles. Here, angle ABC is called the supplement of angle DEF and angle DEF is called the supplement of angle ABC. That means 120 degrees is the supplement of 60 degrees and 60 degrees is the supplement of 120 degrees. In this picture, we have two pairs of supplementary angles. In the first picture, we have two angles, angle P and angle Q. When we add this angle P and angle Q, we get 180 degrees. But we all know that the angle of a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So, P and Q are called supplementary angles. P is the supplement of Q and Q is the supplement of P. Now, in the other picture, we have two angles, but here these two are joint angles. Here, angle A and angle B, when we add them, it is equal to 180 degrees. So, A and B are supplementary angles again. That means A is the supplement of angle B, B is the supplement of angle A. Now you know, children, that whether the angles are joint or not joint. If the sum of the angles are equal to 180 degrees, they are called supplementary angles. Children, the next pair of angles which you are going to learn are called adjacent angles. Two angles are called adjacent angles if they have a common vertex, a common arm, and the non-common arms are on either side of the common arm. Angles will not have any common interior points. We have a pair of adjacent angles formed by the hands of the clock. The same pair I have drawn here to explain adjacent angles. Here in this figure we are having two angles, angle ABD and angle DBC. Here in these two angles, point B is called the common vertex. Now, what is the meaning of common vertex? Children, you see, for angle ABD, point B is the vertex. Now, again for angle DBC, again point B is the common vertex. So, we say point B is the common vertex for angle ABD and also for angle DBC. Then, we have BD, which is a ray. It is called the common arm. Now, what is the meaning of common arm? Now, children, you see in angle ABD, BD is the arm, one of the arms. Again, for this angle, angle DBC. BD is again one of the arms. That means BD is the common arm. That means it is the arm of angle ABD and also the arm of angle DBC. Then we have the two non-common arms, AB and BC, and they are on either side of BD. What is the meaning of either side? It is on the opposite side. Here AB is on the left side of BD and BC is on the right side of BD. So the two non-common arms are on either side of the common arm. Such type of angles, that is angle ABD and angle DBC, are called adjacent angles. The next pair of angles is called a linear pair. So what is a linear pair? A linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degrees, that is the non-common arms are in opposite direction. Here in the figure, angle ABD and angle DBC, that is angle 1 and angle 2, are a pair of adjacent angles where ray AB is in opposite direction to ray BC. Also, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. And a linear pair, they are also supplementary angles since the sum is equal to 180 degrees. That's why angle ABD and angle DBC they are called a linear pair. The next pair of angles are called vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect, two pairs of vertically opposite angles are formed. Here in the figure, AB and CD are two lines which intersect at point O. The two pairs of vertically opposite angles here are angle 1 and angle 3, angle 2 and angle 4. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. That means angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. The best example for vertically opposite angles is a pair of scissors. You can see in the figure the two pairs of opposite or vertically opposite angles in the scissors.
Finding unknown angles. To find an unknown angle, it helps to know what kind of angle it is. Complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. Complement means to complete. Supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees and form a straight angle. These angles are adjacent because they're next to each other and share a side. Adjacent means next to. Vertical angles are formed when two lines intersect. They're the angles that are not adjacent. They are always equal to each other. To find an unknown complementary angle, remember, complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. Just subtract the amount of the known angle from 90 to get the missing angle. How can we find the missing angles here? The intersecting lines create vertical angles, which are always equal. The two highlighted angles are supplementary because they form a straight angle, so they have to add up to 180 degrees. The unknown supplementary angle is 36 degrees. We know this vertical angle. We found all the angles from just one. Sometimes we need algebra to find unknown angles. For these adjacent angles, we're told angle ABC is 138 degrees, and one of the adjacent angles is double the other. Since adjacent angles add up to the larger angle, we can figure out the value of x. The smaller angle is 46 degrees, and the larger angle is double 46 degrees, or 92 degrees. We can find unknown angles when we understand complementary, supplementary, adjacent, and vertical angles.
Children, I hope you would have understood all the angles nicely. Children, a small homework for you all. You would have learned how to find supplementary and complementary angles previous slide. So there are 5 examples or 5 figures here. Here you have to find out either the complementary angle or the supplementary angle as shown in the figure. Thank you children. Have a nice time.